I just want to say these are the things I'm gonna use, and then like depending on the wattage, that's the key you have to get, because I guess that's the gauges made for that watts going through your system. These are the things I got. Right here's a set of pliers, electric kit, automotive electric repair kit, extra tools, speaker wires. Alright, let me go ahead and start doing everything. Alright, I opened everything. I only connected those two just to get that out of the way, but like, see, I opened all this, took the trim off, the seat, then I'm gonna lift this up when I tuck the wire through, and I'm gonna route it all the way in there, all the way down here, and then like into there, then I'm gonna route it through there. So let me go ahead and get that done, and then I'll show you how it's when it's routed. Alright, I already routed the wires through. And make sure you routed it. And make sure you push it all the way down, because there's like a space where all the wires down here, and then it fits perfect. And they're close good. So yeah, I routed everything right here. So when you put the cover, you can't tell nothing. It's gonna be right here, like that. I'll go ahead and start putting everything back together. I'll plug in the fucking sub, and then I'll figure out the RCs and the fit. Oh, that's the speaker. I don't know how to adjust it, but I'll figure it out. I did do what do they call that? Self-tapping. I self-tapped a screw right here, so I can have this, and then this is plugged in normal. And the reason why I'm gonna do it like that is because, let me see. Perfect, you know, just some wire showing, but like that ain't nothing. But that's the video on how to install. I've never done I'm not no professional, but it's not that hard. So, but yeah, alright. Alright, I finished doing everything already. Took everything out of my back seat. I'll probably go wash my car. I want to cruise, but I'm adjusting. I don't know if I should take out the base and then just keep it like that. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna go wash my car, and then I'll slap it one more time and show you how the car is.
So my son and the squad, daddy boy never played with toys. Man, I play with them boys. New AK with them boys. New fun sway with the boys. Driven all day for the boys. Bitch, you ain't ready for the boys. I'm in there ready for them boys. If you ever play with the boys, I'ma turn the blade on them boys. I do like it. I do like it. Say a slat. I do like it. Slat, slat. I do like it.
Cause I finished washing my car and I waxed it, and this is all it is now. Let me go out. I cleaned it, make it nice for you guys. Okay, so that was the audio install. You saw my car, and hopefully soon we're gonna do a couple more things. That dude got a nice ass Camaro. Yup. But Beamer's always better. Beamer gang, little. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, I'm that swift, ask her and him. Yeah, ask them, put them both on them. Put a choker on, let them choking on. All my tourists fall, yeah, they got it all. Daughter sexy and my son got the bra. Spit rats on my son and the squad. Daddy boy never played with toys. Man, I play with them, boys.
I threw everything. Look at my little brother trying to be famous.
Oh, yeah, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's gonna be on my video that I'm gonna upload last. I made it.
Let me put it on your face. Let a nigga nut. Only way I go to slay. Full of rockin' on the Frank Mueller. I know some hoes with good ass. Fuck a tutor. So many hundreds, how the hell I'm gonna lose them? Put me in the jacket, on the rape, and now I'm cooler. Hey, hey. Watch that door. Watch. Nigga plotting on the boy. Spot him.